Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you had a fantastic week. We made it to Saturday. Today is April the 26th, and we're on day number 17 of this Miley Gen Secret Clickbank Challenge, guys. So we are climbing through this thing, guys, and just wanted to show you guys how to send out an email in the system and how what type of results that we got from sending out the email and using ClickBank. Okay, now if you guys have been not been following these videos, what we're doing is we're creating a challenge based on the system called Mileage and Secret System. We're grabbing an offer from ClickBank and we're putting them together. We're somehow seeing if we can get results and in the end earn a commission. All right, so if you guys are kind of new to this channel, go back to the first video of this challenge, which is, day one of this challenge, and kind of get up to speed on kind of what we're doing. All right. So if you didn't know, we're promoting Mileage and Secret System. Also, we're taking one offer from ClickBank. Now, if you go back to the beginning of this channel, we did do a couple of short challenges where we promoted different offers from ClickBank. Okay. And at that time, I wanted to show you guys that different offers do work on ClickBank, not just one. We promoted different offers, okay, on ClickBank, and I wanted to show you that those offers do work, which I did show you that, okay. But on this challenge, okay, we're going to do one offer 365 for 1 year, and we're going to see how we do on that offer and see if we can earn a full-time income doing that. All right. Now, if you guys are new to Mileage and Secret, if you don't know what Mileage and Secret is, right? Mileage and Secret is an email service. They provide 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay, so every day you will be receiving at least 100 or 200 leads, new leads every single day, depending on how many accounts that you have. Okay. And the cool thing about my Lead Gen Secret System, why I love it so much, is you can stack these accounts, guys. Okay. So what you can basically do is you can grab an account. Okay. I did leave a link below this video for you guys to get started, which is super easy to do. Okay. What you would do on the bottom of this video. Okay. Yeah. You would just come down here to the description, click more, and then right here there's going to be a link for you guys to click on. That'll take you to the Mileage and Secret System, and then all you got to do is go ahead and sign up, okay, and just join MLS now. Okay, it's a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then only $30 a month to keep the service. It's very inexpensive to keep the service, and in return you're going to get hundreds and thousands of leads every single day, every single month. You'll be accumulating thousands of leads. Okay, so it's very awesome service, guys. I recommend you guys jumping on board. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to send out an email in the system. Now, Mileage and Secret System, I've been with over them. Just a little bit about my background. I've been with Mileage and Secret over a few years now. Okay. I totally love the service. I promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I promoted ClickBank offers, Warrior Plus. I promoted Max Bounty offers. I promoted Blue Media Ventures offer, a survey offer that converted as well. So I've tested out different offers with this, but for this challenge, we're just going to use ClickBank, okay, which is something that's free to get started and it doesn't take like a newbie. You can get started with ClickBank in 1 day. That's why I wanted to start with this series because I know ClickBank is super easy to get started. Some of those other CPA networks, it does take some days to get on board. So I just wanted to do something that's quick that we can get right to it. Okay. So that's why we chose ClickBank for this challenge. All right. So, Mileage and Secret System, once you guys get started, your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay. It's going to have all of these tabs across here. The only thing that's going to be different, guys, is more than likely like the emails that you're sending out. Okay. So let's go ahead and get to it. So my leads right here, this shows you the leads that are coming in. Today's the 26th. As you can see, I did receive 200 leads today, brand new, fresh leads that I've never came in contact with, and I was able to send out an email today to those new subscribers, and hopefully be able to get some dedicated people that want to join and start earning extra income. Okay. Master email swipes. This is where it's going to be some additional emails that you guys can buy if you wanted to buy some additional emails, but no need to do that, guys. We're going to use the free email swipes from Clickbank. They give you for free. Okay. And they convert very well. All right. So the main area these other tabs really don't matter. The main area you're going to be in whenever you get started is the mailing system. This is where we're going to go and mail out our email to our prospects. We send out one email and then we're done, okay, for the day. So if you guys got an extra 5 to 15 minutes to spare to send out emails every single day, you can do this method. If you can copy and paste, you can do this method, guys. It's super easy to do. If you're new to affiliate marketing, this is probably be the first thing I would recommend to you because you're kind of getting your feet wet. You got your traffic here, okay, and all you got to do is go out and grab an offer, and you put those together, and you start seeing progress. All right. So we want to come here to the mailing system. More than likely, your emails you may not have as many as I do. Like I said, I've been with the system for a few years, so I've just accumulated thousands and thousands of people that coming in. So what I would do is go ahead and select this, and what you would do is select that. Okay, and whatever emails that you have accumulated so far, you would select that, and that loads them into the portal. Okay, so that way we can send once we send out an email, it's going to go to everyone that's listed over here. Okay. So you want to click on that. What that'll do is switch that over, and you'll have your subject line, just like for Gmail, any other email that you're sending. You got to have a subject line, and you got to have a body of what you're sending your prospect, okay, or whoever you're sending an email to. In our case, we're sending out an email to someone who's looking to earn income online. All right. So what we would do is we're going to go ahead and hop on over here to Clickbank. We're going to go over to accounts. And Clickbank, if you don't know what Clickbank is by now, okay, guys, Clickbank is a network marketing platform where you're going to be able to, promote different offers and earn income. Okay. So as you can see, there's so many different offers. I've promoted pretty much everything in here, guys, but the niche that we're going to be working with is make money online. So we're going to be in the e-business and e-marketing. Don't worry about health and fitness, spirituality, self-help. That's for a later date and time that we can go into how you can earn income with other niches. But right now, with this mileage and secret traffic, these people are looking for ways to earn income. So we don't want to promote something to them that's not related to that. All right. That's very important. So we want to come down here. The offer that we're promoting for this 365 challenge is going to be an offer called live chat jobs, guys. All right. And the cool thing about this, guys, real quick, is that this has a rebill, okay, of $27.83. Okay. So basically, once our customer signs up for the program and start earning income, we receive a portion of this rebill. Okay. Now the vendor is going to keep $7 and then we're going to receive the rest. So we'll be looking at around a little bit over $20 and some change every month, reoccurring billing. Okay. And the longevity of someone staying on the rebuild is going to be about 3 to 6 months of what I've seen in the past. Okay. So imagine somebody staying on, you get multiple people coming in and they're getting billed $20 every single month to stay with the program. Okay. And then on top of that, we got new people coming in, and those $20 payments are just going to stack on top of each other. All right. So our main goal is to get multiple $20 payments every single month and us to earn anywhere from $50 to $100 every single day. Okay. And then even more than that, and then we can start earning a full-time income with this thing. All right. So we're gonna hammer this thing down for 365. I mean, we're only in day number 17 right now, so we're gonna hammer this thing out, guys, and we're gonna see. That way I can do all the legwork for you, and you can follow along with me. And then once you start seeing progress with this, guys, because I created a new Clickbank account. Okay, I got multiple Clickbank accounts, but I created this brand new Clickbank account. Okay, just for you guys. All right. So this account I created back in March 25. I wanted to rev it up and get it ready just for you guys. And I only got one account that I only made just for this tutorial, just to show you how to do it. Okay. Now my other Clickbank accounts that I have, I'm promoting different offers and I'm doing different type of things that's not related to this. Okay. So, but this method, I just wanted to show you guys brand new account. coming in that I created at the end of last month. And the mileage and secret system. And I just want to put those together and show you that this stuff does work, guys. Okay. So I don't want to waste any of your time. I just want to be transparent and let you know that everything is fresh and brand new. So when you guys come on, you can kind of know what to expect when you start working. Okay. So back to what we were doing. So this is the offer that we're going to promote. Okay. And like I said, it has a sweet rebuild, $20 payment. So you're going to come here. We want to go to the affiliate page. This is where we're going to get the free email swipes from the vendor, right? So let's go ahead and go to the email swipes right here. And since we're on day number 17, we're going to go to day number 17. Okay. And now with these emails, we've sent out an email every day. We made it to day number 17. Once we get to 20, we're just going to start back over to 1, and we're just going to keep doing it over and over and over again. And also, we got some additional emails as well that we can send out as well. Okay. But right now, for the sake of this video, we're just going to go through the free email swipes that's provided to us. Now, there's Chat GPT. There's other kind of AI software that you can use, that we can use to create our own unique emails. Okay. And we can get into that stuff later. But right now, it's just super easy to do because these emails are already known to convert. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the subject line and I'm going to Control C. And I'm going to come back over here to the mileage and secret system, Control V. So we got our subject line there. Okay. I'm going to click on perfect timing. All right. Perfect timing basically means that this email is going to go out right when people are looking at their email. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to grab this body here, guys. I'm going to grab that. Look at that. Okay. We're going to grab that. Okay. We're going to Control C. We're going to come back over to the mailing system and then we're going to just Control V. Very easy to do. All right. Now, the cool thing about this is that we're going to add some links to this email. So that way, when our prospect clicks on it, it takes them right to our landing page and it shows our prospect how to start working and how to get started. All right. So what we want to do is we want to come here where it says hi name. We want to take this and we want to put an embedded code in there. So that way it addresses our prospect by their first name. Okay. So it's just like hi Jermaine, hi James, hi Jaden, whatever your name is. Okay. It takes us and when it takes us right, it addresses our prospect by their first name. And that's what we want to make it be more personable. Okay. And then wherever it says click here, we want to turn this bold text into a clickable link. All right. So we just want to come here. All right. And then we want to grab this link right here. Where this says link tab, we want to grab that link and just click on it. Right. You want to come back here to the mailing system. I'm not to the mailing system, to the offer. And then under every offer, guys, there's going to be a hop link that's related to the email that we're sending out. So after every email, you're going to see where it says hop link. This hop link goes with this email, guys. So it's very important that you use this link to go with this email, right? Because it's congruent. It goes along with this email, okay? So whatever this email is talking about, this link is going to be talking about, okay? So we just want to Control C. Conversation specialist is what this email is talking about. And you want to come here to where it says your Clickbank affiliate ID, and you want to put in your specific affiliate ID, whatever that is. Whenever you come up with your Clickbank account, you're going to have a special Clickbank ID, and you're going to want to use that ID. Okay, guys. So don't use my name. Okay, you want to use whatever you come up with. All right. So let's just click on OK. And what that does is turns that into a clickable link. So whenever our prospect clicks on that link, it takes them right to your offer. All right. So we just want to come down here. We want to proofread everything, make sure everything looks good. We got another click here. Embedded code here. I mean, bold text. So we want to turn that into a clickable link. So just come here, Control V. All right. And we want to remember, we want to take that affiliate ID and you want to make it your affiliate ID, right? And then you're going to click on OK. And what that does, it turns that into a clickable link. And me, I like to make the size a little bit bigger, either 16 or 18, whichever one you feel comfortable with. And then we want to come down here and proofread. It'll say preview. And when you preview, we want to click on these links in your email to make sure they both work. Okay, both work. Okay. Now, once we do that, we can just send this out. And then every time our prospect goes to our offer, it's going to we'll be able to show them our offer, okay, and we'll be able to be in position, okay, to get a sale if our prospect decides they want to start working with us. All right. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system. It's very easy to do. Okay. And I just showed you guys how to do it. All right. So this is how you send out an email in the system. If you can copy and paste, you can do this. I do want to throw a disclaimer out here, guys. I don't want to guarantee that you're going to make anything with the system because I don't know if you're going to go sign up or not. I don't know if you're going to, stick with this until you start seeing results. Okay. It's day number 17 in the system. Okay. And I don't know if you're going to stick with it for a whole year or 2 years or however many years, just like I did. Okay, guys. So I don't know if you have that type of work ethic. Okay. So, but if you do, what I can guarantee is that you will start seeing results. All right. So we did send out an email yesterday in the My Lead Gen Secret system, and I wanted to show you guys the results from that email yesterday, and if we got any traffic or if we got any sales or anything like that. Okay, so what I'm doing every day is updating you guys on how to send out an email, how easy it is, and then I'm showing you the results from the emails that we sent out the previous day. That way you can know what to expect if it's somebody like you. Okay. Now the difference is that all these accounts are created differently. So your accounts may go faster than most people, or they may go slower than most people. Some people see results in the few days. Some of them may take a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, 3 months, 6 months. Okay, it just depends on how much you are working at this thing every single day. Okay, me. I'm the type of person that once I find out something works, I'm going to do it until it works for me. Okay. And that's what I ended up doing over these years. Okay. I've stuck with it and it just started to work for me. Okay, guys. So it's the same. It's the same for you. And I'm no different from you. Okay. I'm just someone who's started this method and I watched somebody else do it and I got motivated and then I started to do it. I stuck with it and then I started to make money. Okay. So now I'm at a point where now I know it makes money. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it and you can go out here and you can duplicate what I do and you can make money for your family, just as well. Okay. So there's no difference, guys. It's just how bad do you want it? How bad do you want to succeed? All right. How bad do you want extra money? Right. So let's go ahead and go here to Clickbank. We want to go to the reporting tab. And we sent out an email yesterday. Today is the 26th. Yesterday we did get over 1,000 hops, which is really good, guys. We got 771 unique hops, brand new IP addresses that came to our page. We got 5 order form impressions, 4 unique order form impressions. These are people had that came to the checkout page. They whipped out their wallet. Okay, they want to decide to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy. In our case today, we finally got a sale. Okay, so we finally got a free trial. Okay, so this free trial in the next few days is going to turn into a commission. All right, so we did get an initial sale today, which is good. We don't have a rebill right now, but we did get another sale that really put us at the $100 over the $100 mark. So now we got that residual $100 coming in every month, guys, and it's only day number 17. Right. So stick with me on this, guys. This stuff does work. As you see, we did get a sale today. So, that sale is going to turn into, a commission here in a few days. All right. So that's a good thing, guys. Before these last few days, we didn't receive a commission. But as you can see, just sticking with it, sending out emails every day, the commissions are going to come. It's just a numbers game, guys. It's just how long are you willing to wait for it, right? So, and as you can see, these sales, what's going to happen is that they're spaced out right now, okay? But eventually, they're going to come closer and closer and closer together. The more months you stay with it, the rebills are going to come in, new sales are going to come in, and eventually, every single day, you're going to earn a commission. Just watch and see. Just stick with me. Stick with me on this, guys. You're going to see this, all right? So I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm not going to take any more of your time. Because I'm gonna meet you back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. We did send out an email tonight, so we'll come back and check the results from that tomorrow. So I'm going to leave this video on that note, guys, and I see you guys tomorrow at the same time, same place.